How to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. Alright, let's dive in. First of all, you have to know that a Facebook Messenger poll can only be created on group chats. So it is not possible to create a poll on private chats. So make sure you are in a group or you have created a group to enter your poll. So alright, as you can see, I have a group right here called team. So I'm just going to tap on it. And in order to create the poll, what you want to do is tap on these four dots at the bottom left. And as you can see, here are options for games, location, and polls. Just tap on polls and you can enter your question right here. Like, for example, I'm going to ask you here for favorite fast food. And you can add multiple options here, like pizza, burger, fries. Right now, for now, let's do this much and create a poll. Once you have created a poll, everyone in the group can see this and they can vote for the poll like this. So let's say your favorite fast food is burger and they're gonna do this and tap on submit. Their profile picture will be shown here and the vote will be shown here and everything will be updated in chat. And you have to note that they can vote for multiple options as well. So right now, as you can see, I voted for 2 options, and they can even add options like here, like so. And if you want to edit, you can go here and add options to edit as well. And you have to know that group members can also edit the poll as well. So yeah, that's how you can easily create a poll on Facebook Messenger. You just have to make sure that you're in a group. I hope you found the video helpful and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.